لأجلك يا ربي نسعى इस मुल्क आली शान के मेमार हम हुफ़ाज़ियन ईमान के अनवार से सरशार हम हुफ़ाज़ियन तालीम ज़ेवर है हमारा देश की पहचान है तहज़ीब ताकत है हमारी देश की पहचान है किरदार की बुनियाद पर परवाज़ हमको है मिली इस्लाम की महकार।
Dear brothers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us deen. Our success in dunya and akhirah is in practicing complete deen. There are few qualities in deen. If we learn them, it will be very easy for us to practice complete deen. Firm faith in kalima. What is kalima? La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Its meaning that there is no worthy of worship except Allah. And Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is his prophet. Its purpose is that Allah can do everything. He is the creator and controller of things of all the worlds. Our success of dunya and akhirah is in following the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The kalima is the key to paradise. If 100 years old non-Muslim says this kalima with sincerity, his all sins are forgiven.
The second thing is that Salah. 5 times Salah is compulsory for every Muslim. Salah is mark of Islam. Salah is pillar of Islam. Salah is different between Islam and Kufr. Salah is the best jihad and a key of Jannah.
And the third quality of Islam, knowledge and remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Knowledge means to know some basic things about deen. What's permitted, what is forbidden, what's right, what's wrong. The one who goes out to learn knowledge of deen, angels spread their wings under the feet and way to Jannah is made easy. The best among you who learns and teaches Quran. Zikr is the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There are 8 doors of paradise. One for those who do zikr. The one who does zikr is like a living person, and the one who does not do zikr is like dead. We must do zikr at least 3 tasbihats, morning and evening regularly. Third kalima, Darud Sharif and Istighfar.
The fourth important thing is respect of Muslim. It means to respect all the Muslims because they have kalima in their hearts. One who fulfills one need of others, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfills 73 needs. One is sufficient for the needs of the life, and 72 will raise the stages in Jannah. It is said that one who does not respect our elders and scholars, alim, has not mercy on our younger, is not among us. Therefore, we should respect our elders and scholars and love younger.
Now, here is the 5th one, but the most important one. Purity of intentions. Purity of intentions is very important. I mean, even a single virtue which we earn should be for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, rather than money, fame, or any other interest. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not see your faces or wealth, but He sees your hearts and deeds. If we give one date for the sake of Allah, one date, it doesn't cost anything, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us as a reward of mountain of Uhud. So dear listeners, we must correct our intentions in the beginning, during, and in the end of every action. Thank you.
The 6th one and the last quality is struggle of deen. It is our duty to practice deen and call other peoples towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This work of da'wat was the work of prophets, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was the best and last prophet. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the best and last prophet, and his ummah is the best and last ummah. When a person goes out in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his all sins are forgiven. In the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on the part of body where dust touches, even the smoke of hellfire will not touch. Allah says in Quran, كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله. You are the best ummah raised for mankind, bid the fair and forbid the unfair, and believe in Allah. So, I am ready for this greatest task. Are you ready too?